Ciira uria uhanditwo igoti-ini ritugiru ni mbunge ya bururi na honge ingi cia thirikari ikiregana na guteanirio kwa watho wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2023 ni urikire guthikiririo umuthi guku ikundi iria iraregana na watho uyu igitongorio ni kiama kia mawakiri guku bururi-ini LSK na seneta wa Busia Okiya Omtata ikiuria igoti rikindire guteanirio kwa watho ucio.
If something is null and void, it cannot be subjected to structural interdict. It cannot be subjected to a mechanism of nursing it into life. It is void for all purposes.
Muthenya wa umuthi acirithania igoti riri ni mendire kumenya maundu matiganite megie cira uyu ari ni hamwe na ni gikiro kiriku kiagirire gukinyanirio gia gukuruhania mawoni ma muingi mbere ya watho uthondeketwo.
It is agreed there was public participation. It's only that the bar was raised.
Active participation, that's the last link. This is a relation based on partnership, whereby the citizen will be treated as a partner in governance, will help in defining the process, and the policy considerations, the opinion they give will be respected and considered.
Kuringana na wakiri wa bunge Isa Mansu, muingi ni wakuruhanirio kihinyio kuonana na rurenda rwa bunge thiini wa YouTube ruonanagia ndereti ino imwe kwa imwe na gutuma ndumiriri nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria.
The answer, as Malady Justice confirmed, is also uploaded, and then there's the audit paper which contains the amendments that have been done and which have been proposed, and then there are the social media handles. Twitter, the National Assembly at KE, that's a Twitter handle, and then there's Parliament of Kenya on Facebook. All this go on concurrently so that people can follow.
Odonge igoti riendire kumenya ni kana bunge ya Senate ni yagirire gukuruhania uthondeki-ini wa watho uyu kuona kuringana na gatiba ya bururi bunge ya Senate yagirwo ni kuramata mawatho o maria marahutia thirikari cia county.
How do you propose that the court navigates that issue that the Senate were not parties in these proceedings?
There was a joint resolution by the Speaker of the National Assembly and the Speaker of the Senate under Article 1, as contemplated under Article 110.3, that the finance bill was not a bill touching on counties, and therefore this was not an issue that needed to be, because it had the joint resolution had been done, and that's why Senate was not a part in the Court of Appeal.
Mwena-ini wake wakiri wa munene wa watho Professor Githu Muigai ni ateterithitie guteanirio kwa watho uyu kuhota kuharagania mibango na mitaratara ya thirikari ya kibeca riu akiuria acirithania igoti riri magarure itua ria igoti ria gucokia macira RIKO.
The judicature, without condoning breaches of the Constitution, should avoid radical rulings that imperil the stability of the state, which is exactly what the High Court did in this matter. When you defund the state by a single stroke of the pen, you defund the state.
Ciira uyu waumanire na ciira wahanditwo igoti-ini mwaka muhituku ni seneta wa Busia Okiya Omtata mari nangi kurumirira kuhitukio kwa watho uyu makiuga ihengere imwe ciaguo ni mugaru na watho na gatiba ya bururi na kurutithio wira kwaguo ni gukunyamaria a Kenya. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.
That is the fourth respondent's grounds of opposition.